Hi guys, welcome to Recipes Tested. I'm Brianna Robinson. Do you guys have this cookbook yet? Because if you don't, you should go get it. I've only had it for like a week and I'm obsessed with it. So far, every recipe that I've tried except one has been really good. So today I am going to share a new one that I haven't tried yet with you guys, and it's her potato gratin mini stacks. And I will leave an Amazon link where you can get this cookbook, but this recipe just looks like a really good side dish, and I thought that it would be a good one to introduce you guys with my testing for this particular, let's just hit it a million times, this particular cookbook. So if you guys want to see how this recipe turns out, just keep watching and I'll get testing. So I got going first on melting 2 tablespoons of butter and added in my minced garlic and mixed that all together and added a pinch of salt to make it like salted butter, and then added in heavy cream and a little bit of nutmeg. Not so much that it's like dessert, but enough that it adds a nutty element to the dish. Then added my salt and pepper and mixed that all together and took it off the heat. And next I got going on my potatoes, and I just used my mandolin to slice this really thinly and be very careful because I did get cut. These are very dangerous. And then I put them all in a huge bowl and added my mixture on top and mixed it all together. And if I did this again, I would spend a lot more time mixing because it didn't get quite evenly distributed. But then I put the slices into my muffin pan and made sure to get the cream everywhere that I could and poured whatever was in the bottom of the bowl on top, covered it in foil, and then baked them. And I grated some cheese, and once they were done baking, I took the lid off very carefully because it was really steaming hot, and then I tested it with a fork, and mine were cooked all the way through. So I just topped them with cheese, and then I broiled them instead of baking them for an extra 10 to 15 minutes. And then just put some green onions on top. All right, guys, so these are cool, I hope enough to taste, so I'm just gonna give it a taste and let you know if it's love at first bite. It's only been about 5 minutes, and they've been cooling over an open window, but I can't wait. I'll have this ugly one, the cook's treat after all. Okay, this is potato gratin. So it has that familiar flavor. It needs significantly more salt than the recipe calls for. But I think next time I would probably add at least a half a teaspoon more, if not more than that, because it's very bland without enough salt. Salt potatoes just need a ton of salt. The garlic flavor is really a lot. I don't get the balance of the seasoning with the salt and pepper. The flavors are good. I like that they're like really cute and in these little strips. It's just kind of extremely bland. I don't know if it's just me getting creative and getting in my head and thinking, but I really want to make this like baked potato flavored, and I want to like put over some crumbled bacon pieces and add some sour cream and make it like a baked potato stack, like a loaded potato. But this is good. I think that this is a good base recipe, and this would be a fun one to kind of tinker with, just play with and have fun. But you know, I would honestly rate this as the written recipe probably a 6 out of 10. It's good to know going into it that I just need to add some more salt because it really needs it. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me today. I appreciate it. And give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you have this book, I want to know your favorite recipe because I will totally make that one as well. And don't forget to subscribe while you are here. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys with my next recipe. Bye.